I'll guide you through how to find forgotten Netflix passwords on Android the easy way, without panicking when you've lost access to your account. If you're looking to recover a lost password for your Netflix account, or for any other streaming service or app accounts, and so need to find your forgotten Netflix passwords on Android, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. First, open the Google app or the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Next, tap on your profile picture icon, which is usually in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap on Google Account under your name. Once you're on your Google account page, locate and tap on Password Manager. You will see a list of all your social media and other website accounts for which you have saved their passwords. Tap on the Netflix website or app, and you will be presented with the option to unlock your Android device either with a password or biometric, depending on which you use. Once you do, the login and password will display for you. You can also edit the details here if you wish. By this, you have successfully found your forgotten Netflix passwords on Android. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more streaming services video tutorials. Thanks for watching.